Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom. Yang terhormat Bapak Ibu penguji uji kinerja PPG dalam jabatan tahun 2022. Perkenalkan, saya Mariani, mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan tahun 2022 kategori 2 Universitas Palangkaraya dengan NIM 226100219424. Saya mengajar di SMP Negeri 1 Atap Dadamang Batu, dan pada hari ini Rabu 14 Desember 2022 saya akan melaksanakan praktik pembelajaran uji kinerja di kelas 7 dengan materi This is my world, Things around us. Mohon saran dan masukan dari Bapak Ibu semua untuk perbaikan pembelajaran berikutnya agar dapat memberikan yang terbaik bagi peserta didik. Terima kasih.
Stand up, please. Greeting, please.
Good morning, Miss. How are you?
Good morning. I'm so fine today. How about you?
I'm good.
Okay, thank you. You always sit down. Okay, before we start our lesson today, so Andika, could you lead your friend of praying first?
Let's pray together. Begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Andika. So, let me check your attendance first. Who is absent today?
Endra, Daya, dan Erika.
So, there are 4 students are absent today. Do you still remember? Do you have ever hear about a game? Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia-nya dibilang ABC 5 dasar. Ever hear? Pernah dengar?
Pernah.
Okay, in English, ABC basic. Okay, so the game is like this. When I say ABC basic, so some of you will stand up and I will count A, B, C, D, and you will try to state things that start from the letter in the end. Okay? Understand? Paham? Okay. Start from now. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. A, B, C basic. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, K. F, G, H, I, J, K. K. Dari huruf K. K.
Kursi.
Kursi. And then
Kunci.
kunci.
Kancing.
Hah? Kambing. Kambing. Animals.
Kamar.
Kancing.
Kamar.
Kasur.
Kasur. Okay. Thank you. You may sit down. Once again. Once again. Kalau bisa in English ya. Once again. Kalau bisa in English. Tapi kalau nggak ada ya in bahasa. A, B, C basic. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, G. Dari huruf G, G. Kalau bahasa Indonesia-nya G ya.
Gajah.
Animals, things, about things. G. Gunting.
Gasing.
Gasing. Hah?
Gelas.
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 Gelas. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia gelas. Oke. Gelas. Garpu.
Gayung.
Gayung.
Gerobak.
Gerobak. And so on. Okay, thank you. Give applause for all of you. Okay, so why I ask you, why I invite you to have this game? Because today we will learn about things. We will state things today. Okay? Well, try to observe what are things that are here. Yang ada di kelas ini. What are things? Try to state. Apa aja yang ada di kelas ini yang kalian lihat? Hah?
Speaker.
Speaker. Speaker. And then what else? Blackboard. Kalau itu whiteboard ya. Kalau dulu yang warna hitam dia blackboard. Kalau ini whiteboard. Good. And then what else? Door. And then chairs. How many chairs here?
Bag.
Banyak ya. And then books. And then pens. And then ruler. And then tables, pencil. Okay, good job. there are in the classroom. So, could you say the number? Bisa nggak menyatakan jumlahnya in English? Could you? Okay. So, let's see this picture. Okay, here in chapter 4, this is my work. Repeat after me. This is my work.
This is my work.
Look at the picture. Based on the picture, what are there in the picture? And then, what is burung in English? What is burung? Bird. Ya, ada di mana cuma satu. And then, tree. And then, flower. So here we will learn to state things, the names of things and the numbers of things. Okay, let's see. Things in our bags. Repeat after me. Things in our bags.
Things in our bags.
Thank you. And then a glue. And then and then some glue. So to pencil. What is to pencils in bahasa? What is to pencils in bahasa?
Pensil.
Ada berapa katanya?
Dua pensil.
Dua pensil. How about a ruler?
Penggaris.
Berapa pengarisnya? How many? Okay. So you will practice in your LKPD. I have give the way how to ask your friend about the things in his or her bags. Work in pairs to tell the names and numbers of things that you really have in your bag. Nah, cara nanyanya gini. Miss kasih contoh ya. Aldo, could you be a planter? Please stand up. I have 2 pens. What about you? How many pens do you have? How many pens do you have? I have. Berapa pulpennya? 6. Berarti 6. Okay. Can you do this practice? Can you bisa ya? So, start from now. Let's do the practice. Ask your friends for the names and number of things that are in his or her bag. Start from now. I will give you 5 minutes to do it. Start from now. Ya. Asli. Tanya ya. In your bag and your friend's bags, finish?
Finish.
Okay, if you have finished, now please present the result. Present the names of things and the numbers of things that you really have in your bag and your friend's bag. Okay, who is ready? Siap. Okay, come on. Okay, pay attention and give there some question. Okay, berikan mereka pertanyaan nanti, ya.
We will present things in my bag and my friend's bag. I have 5 books. My friend has 6 books. I have 2 pens. My friend has 6 pens. I have 2 rulers. My friend has 1 ruler. I have 1 pencil. My friend has 0 pencil. I have 1 correction piece. I have 1 correction piece. I have dictionary. I have 1 dictionary. My friend has 1 dictionary.
Okay, thank you. So here, okay, please give some question for them. Berikan beberapa pertanyaan untuk mereka. Coba, apa yang mau kalian tanyakan di dalam tas mereka, isi tas mereka. It's up to you in English or in bahasa, but it will be better in English. Dalam bahasa Indonesia boleh, kalau nggak tahu nanti bisa terjemahkan. Oke? Any other questions? In bahasa it's okay, nggak apa-apa kalau mau nanya dalam bahasa Indonesia. Ada? Nabila? Hah? Penghapus. How about penghapus? Penghapus tadi apa bahasa Indonesia? Rubber, eraser. No, we don't have. We don't have eraser. Katanya mereka nggak punya eraser. And then what else? How about apa lagi? HP. Do you have handphone in your bag? Coba tanyakan. Do you have handphone in your bag? Dijawab? No, I don't have.
I don't have.
Okay. Any others? Ada lagi pertanyaan lain?
No.
Okay. If you don't have question, give applause for them. Okay. Pay attention to your friends and give some question. Okay, so please give them some questions. Kasih mereka beberapa pertanyaan, ajukan beberapa pertanyaan kepada temannya. Apa yang mereka minta? Do you have lipstick? Do you have lipstick in your bag? Katanya. Penasaran kalian ya? Can you have lipstick? No, I don't have. So, what else? Apa lagi pertanyaannya? Handphone. Gimana nanyanya? Do you have handphone? I don't have. I don't have juga. Punya nggak? Nggak punya, berarti I don't have. I don't have. Okay, any others? Ada lagi pertanyaan lain? Nggak punya katanya. Nggak ada handphonenya di tas. Apa lagi? No? Okay, how about
Kamus?
No. Kamus. I don't have kamus katanya. How about Jihan? I don't have kamus katanya. Any others? Gunting. Gunting. Do you have scissors? Ada scissorsnya? Scissorsnya tadi scissors. Gunting ya? How many? Ada one scissors and then penghapus ya. Erasers tadi Jihan punya, kita nggak punya tadi rasanya ya. Kita punya satu, Jihan punya satu. Oke, thank you, give applause for Jihan. Next, which pair will present next? Okay, come on, Nabilas tuh. Nabilas and friends, come on, come here. Okay, good job. I'm so proud of you, all of you, because all of you can ask your friends and state the names and the numbers of things that you really have in your bags, and friend's bags. Jadi semuanya sudah tahu benda-benda apa saja yang ada di tas temannya dan juga tas sendiri ya, tas dirinya sendiri. Dan juga jumlahnya. Oke. Jadi apa namanya? Well, I will show you a video about things in the classroom. Let's see this video. Pay attention, okay? Let's see.
This is our classroom. I'll state the thing in our classroom. The first one is there is a clock, there is a glove, there is a cupboard, there is a board, there is a picture, there is an air conditioner, there is a door, there is a window, there is a book, there is a table, there is a wall, there is a floor, there is a desk, there is a chair.
Okay, that's about the video. So based on the video show the things in the classroom, yeah, and the numbers of things that are there. Jadi video itu menceritakan tentang benda-benda apa aja yang ada di dalam ruang kelas. Tapi in general, secara umum, belum tentu kita yang di daerah seperti ini, kita yang di hulu seperti ini punya benda-benda seperti di situ ya. Kalau di situ tadi ada apa? Yang ditempel di atas ada AC ya, air conditioner. Kita punya nggak? Nggak. Punya, itu kita punya AC alami loh ya. Coba lihat, ya kan? Oke, so I want you to work in group and find out the names of things in some object in this school, in our school. Oke? Coba silakan bentuk kelompoknya sekarang. Yang sesuai yang sebagai kemarin ya. Ya, itu aja. Oke, to choose the topic of your discussing, please take the paper here. One of group, each group will take the paper here. Will take each paper. Oke, come on. Perwakilan satu grup, satu orang ya, yang akan menjadi topik kalian nanti. Oke, sudah? Iya, sudah kan? Oke, you may go back here. Oke. So, in your hand, each group have the topic. Semuanya sudah punya topik kan? Sudah? Bisa? Ada nggak topiknya di sekitar sekolah kita? Is there in our school? Ada? Ada. So, now what will you do is try to go to the topic, go to the building, the object, and look at their state the names of things there and the numbers ya. Jadi ungkapkan, catat berapa apa aja benda yang ada di sana dan juga jumlahnya in bahasa in English. Oke, so sudah paham ya sama kayak tadi ya. Oke, if you understand, so now I give you 20 minutes to observe the things in the topic, the things in the office, field, classroom, library, of discussing. Yeah. Which group is ready to present? Okay, come on. Come on. Waktu kita tinggal sedikit, come on. Yang sudah siap ya? Okay, group 1. Come on, time is yours. Okay, everybody keep silent. Pay attention to your friend. If you have a question, please ask them. Okay? Okay, all of you look at here. All of you look at here. Andin, Chelsea. Andin, Chelsea, look at here. Okay, start off now. Time's yours.
We will present things in the office.
They can tell us about things in the office. Setuju nggak kalau things in the office-nya seperti itu? Setuju. Ada berapa gurunya, teachers-nya di office kita? Hah? How many? How many teachers? 9. Harusnya di set 9 situ ya. And then, how about the others? Do you have any question? Atau mau menambahkan? Ada yang mau ditambahkan di situ nggak? Any adding information? No? Okay. Thank you, group 1. If you don't have question, you may sit and give applause for group 1. Okay. Well, all of you have discussed, all of you have observed the things in the office, in the classroom, in the library, in the field of our school, right? So, I'm sure that you are now can state the names and the numbers of things in this object. Okay, right? Benar ya? Bisa ya? Sudah? Kalau di sekolahnya sekarang sudah bisa, otomatis kalau Miss nanti minta kalian state names and things in your form, you can do it. Okay? Okay. Tadi you have work in pairs, you have work in groups. So now I want to see if you work individually. Okay, so now in your worksheet there are activity 4. Please do it by yourself. Choose the correct answer and I give you 10 minutes to do it. Okay? Cukup ya 10 minutes? 10 menit cukup ya? Nah? Okay. Do it now. Activity 4. Okay, time's up. Finish? Finish. Okay, if you have finished your work, so please submit it for me. Submit it for me. Okay, thank you Anita. Sudah semua ya? Gak ada yang nggak ngumpul ya, jangan curang loh ya. Okay, so based on our lesson today, is there bendanya nggak terhitung. Kayak buku di kantor terlalu banyak atau perpus ya terlalu banyak. Oke, sekarang perhatikan. Kalau misalkan if the things is banyak, kemudian banyaknya itu kalau untuk benda Inggris itu dia ada dua ya. Oke, do not talk with each other. Jangan ganggu temannya dulu, nanti ganggunya. Oke, sekarang coba perhatikan ya. Pay attention to me. Oke, kalau bendanya bisa dihitung, kita mau bilang dia banyak, kita bisa bilang there are. Kalau book itu bisa dihitung nggak? Buku bisa? Bisa. Buku itu bisa dihitung. Kalau kita mau bilang bukunya banyak, we can use many. Bukan money. Bukan mini, ibu mininya ya. Oke, many ya. Coba repeat after this. Many. Bukan money. Kalau money uang ya. Oke, sekarang coba lihat. Kalau misalkan yang banyak itu apa? Misalkan book ya tadi ya. Ada di sana. Kita bisa bilang there are many books. Don't forget to put S ya, in the end of things, of the name of things. Jadi kalau kita mau bilang bendanya itu banyak, misalkan dia lebih dari 20, nggak sanggup lagi kalian hitung, kalian bisa bilang many. Kalau untuk benda yang bisa dihitung ya, coba repeat after me. There are many books. How about kalau misalkan banyaknya untuk benda yang tidak bisa dihitung? Benda yang tidak bisa dihitung apa aja?
Pasir,
Daun, batu, kayu, air, tanah. Tanah bisa juga ya. Oke, kita bisa bilang seperti ini. Kalau there are ya tetap. Much. Kalau misalkan lapangan ya tadi ya banyak rumputnya ya lapangannya. Gak bisa dihitung satu-satu rumputnya. Ada berapa kira-kira rumput di lapangan kita?
Banyak.
Karena rumputnya nggak bisa dihitung, we'll start with much. Coba repeat after me. Much. There are much trees. Oke, bisa ya? Jadi paham ya? Sampai di sini paham? Oke. Any other questions? No. Okay, so now I'm sure that all of you can spell the things with the names and the numbers correctly, right? Bisa sudah ya menyatakan nama benda dan jumlahnya dengan benar, bisa? Meskipun tadi itu ada beberapa hal yang bisa menjadi koreksi kita. Kalau kita mau bilang bendanya cuma satu, tadi ada juga yang masih menggunakan kata there are. Sebenarnya dia harus menggunakan there is. Don't forget ya, harus menggunakan there is. Juga untuk kalau kita menyatakan satu, kalau bendanya cuma satu, jangan gunakan one, tapi gunakan ya, atau an, ya, bisa ya. Oke, so sekarang Miss mau tanya, how about our lesson today? What did you learn today? Apa yang kalian pelajari hari ini? Apa yang dipelajari hari ini? Mengenal benda-benda bahasa Inggris. What else? Apalagi tadi? Kalau kita mau bilang dia tadi banyak, sedikit, satu atau lebih satu itu apa namanya? Menghitung Oke, good. Menghitung jumlahnya. Oke, kalau dalam bahasa Inggris kita bisa bilang, now you can tell the names of things and the numbers of things in your bags, in your friend's bag, in the classroom, in the office, in the library, in the field of our school, and then what else? Apa lagi? Di mana aja tadi? Laboratorium juga ya. Okay, so I wanna ask you, tadi itu kalian hanya mengenal namanya aja. Kalau ngasih tahu jumlahnya belum bisa kan awalnya. Nah sekarang setelah belajar bisa nggak? Sudah bisa? Bisa. depan for the next meetings. Okay, so I wanna ask you, how about our lesson today? Are you happy with this lesson? If you are happy, please give applause. Okay, is it our learning fun for you? Fun ya? Belajarnya hari ini fun ya? Oke, fun. Jujur nggak ini?
Jujur.
Okay, so let's make a conclusion for today. Today we have learned about names of thing and the number. Nama-nama benda hari ini yang kalian dapat apa aja?
Jam, lemari, meja, kursi, buku,
English. Oke, jadi kalau di awalnya tadi kita main in games ABC basicnya itu in bahasa, kalian jawabnya. So next week I hope you can answer the games, you can play the games in English, okay?
Oke.
Saya janji ya.
Jadi.
Okay, promise it. Okay, so what is the function? Apa gunanya kita mengetahui itu semua? Biar apa? Hah? Biar tahu benda apa aja yang ada di sini. Biar tahu ketika ditanya ya. Kemudian biar tahu jumlahnya, cara menyatakan jumlahnya. Okay, any other questions? Ada pertanyaan lain? No? Okay, if you don't have question, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your attention and good morning.